Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we will start a chapter sets. It is a very important chapter of the class 11th. I will quickly go through and try to tell its the meaning, you know. So let's understand, yes, one over. So you can see the meaning of the sets. It is a well-known fact that any attempt to define a set has always led mathematics to unsurmountable difficulties. For example, the purpose of well defined the term as set a well defined collection of objects. Actually, the meaning of a set is a well defined collection. So, simple understand well defined collection. So, we have some illustrations here. The collection of vowels in English alphabets. This set contains five elements: A, E, I, O, U. The collection of the first five prime natural numbers is a set containing the element 2, 5, 7, 11. Yeah, the five prime numbers. The collection of all the states in Indian Union is a set. The collection of a past president of the Indian Union is a set. Yeah, because we can tell who were the past presidents of India. Yeah, the collection of the cricketers in the world who were out 99 runs in the test match as a set. The collection of a good cricket player of India is not a set. It's very important illustration. The collection of a good cricket players of India is not a set, since the term good player is a vague and it is not well defined, because the good player can be different person. Yeah, for me Rahul Dravid is a best person, for others Kapil Dev is a best player, for someone the Sachin Tendulkar is the best player, and so on. So it means it is a different opinion. So it means collections are not well defined. So this is the reason it's not in a set. So now need to understand sub symbol. When you talk about the natural number, we always use a capital N. The set of the integers, we use the Z. The For the set of all the positive integers, we use Z plus. For the set of all the rational numbers, we always use a Q, capital Q. For the set of all the positive rational numbers, we always use a Q plus. For the set of all the real numbers, we always use the R, or the set of all the positive real numbers, R plus. Complex numbers. Actually, the meaning of a complex number means complex has a real number plus imaginary number. Imaginary numbers are those numbers which are not defined. For example, if I write root minus 2 minus 3, that means they are not defined. Okay, that means if I say 3 plus minus root 3, so real number plus imaginary number equal to known as a complex number. Okay, so we have in some questions. Let's understand one by one. So first, what is the difference between a collection and a set? So give reason to support your answer. So yes, I mean the first question, the difference between a collection or a set. Collection could be anything. If you say, tell me the collection of a good players. Okay, you can tell Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina, and many more. Yeah, okay. That is known as a collection. But if I talk about the set you can always tell which must be well defined. If I say, tell me the name of cricket players who got out 99 run in the year of 2023. So it means you can just figure out all the stats and you have the well defined answer. So like it has also written, every set is a collection, but the collection is not necessarily a set. Got it? So well defined the collections are set. Obviously, है ना? We are reading this one. So yes, so these are some questions. Which are the following collections are sets? Justify your answer. A collection of all the natural numbers less than 50. So definitely it is a set, because we know 1 to 49 are the collection of this set. The collection of a good hockey players in India. So it is not a defined define, means it's not well defined, so it's not a set. The collection of all the girls in your class, so it is a well defined, means you can simply tell me the all names, or how many numbers, tell me the count. Collection of a most talented writers of India, that is not in a well defined, it is not in a set. A collection of difficult topics in mathematics, it is also not a set, because for me set is a difficult topic for me. For other, relation function is a difficult topic. For the binomial theorem is a difficult topic, and so on. That means every student has a difficult topic is different. The collection of a novels written by Munshi Premchand, definitely it's in a well defined. You can whatever the means how many novels were written by him, so we can tell the number. Yeah, if you know the number, that's great. If you don't know, so you can search or tell the complete number. The collection of all the months in a year beginning with the letters J. So definitely it's also well defined. J for July, J for June, J for uh, July, yeah, or January. The collection of all questions in this chapter, that is also a well defined. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world, that is also not a well defined. A collection of a prime integers, that is also a well defined set. Fine. So yes, so these are the important topics. So I hope you have little understanding about the sets. So thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day.